So we're back on land. I got some fish cooked up. They did actually catch a fish. I can't take the credit for it. I was ready to get back. But I am still excited to be out here in Cecile, guys. And if you guys are excited, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And we are surviving with Zaria Key right now.
It's like you were made to hurt me. I'm sitting back, see, I'm learning you. I will never take it to that level just to hurt you. But I've always.
So you guys know I love my food. I'm just a food connoisseur. So guys, this fish is absolutely freaking amazing. You gotta watch out for the flies. But at this point, I'm ready to flies too.
See, I could stand no other, baby. But it was still a rise without you.
And fish is like empty calories.
Took 2 packs of condoms.
2? Not the 2. Not the freaking 2.